Hello children, it's a been long time that we have not conducted any value education class. Today we are back with the value education class, and today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 10, and the name of this lesson is Geeta is Graceful. Here we are going to discuss about a girl named Geeta and her gracefulness. Now, children, you all might be thinking, what is the meaning of graceful? Graceful is the positive attitude, the way you behave in odd situations also, whatever the situation may be. But if you don't lose your temper, don't lose your calmness, and you behave in a positive way, that shows that how graceful you are. So here is Geeta, and she is very polite and she always respect others, and this is a very good behavior and depicts that she is very graceful, whether the situation is difficult or anything. And if a person is graceless, they don't react in a certain way. That means they are not polite whenever the situations are harsh. But Geeta is a very graceful girl. Whether she wins or whether she loses, she faces both the things with very much ease. चाहे वो जीते चाहे वो हारे, but both the circumstances she is happy and she accepts that she has lost, and there are certain reasons and she could work upon those reasons and next time she can win. So she is a very good sports girl, and she was the captain of Kho team also, and she has won many prizes, also the first prize. But this year in the annual sports, they lost the final Kho match. But after losing the match also, she was very calm, very cool, because she was knowing that there was some mistake due to which she lost the game, and she can work hard and win the game next time. And if she is going to lose, the other is going to win. This is the rule of the game. Whether it is she is in home or she is in classroom or wherever she is, she always behaves in a very graceful manner. She never gives up her politeness, her good behavior. She always talks to everyone very politely, and she can be friend with anyone of any age, or a boy or a girl. There is an incident mentioned in the story that one day, that it was a drawing period and all the students were busy in the artwork, and all of a sudden a red color bottle slipped off Sunita's hand and it fell on Geeta's dress, and it was a red mark on her dress. Sunita was very much sorry, but Geeta didn't complain. उसने complain भी नहीं की. So you can see that how good she was, how polite she was, because it was by mistake. And she went to the bathroom and she tried to wash that spot. बहुत अच्छे से तो नहीं धुला, because it was color and it gave a permanent mark on her dress. But Geeta didn't use even a single harsh word. उसने एक भी harsh word use नहीं किया. Rather she keep on saying that it was just by chance, ऐसे ही हो गया, so you don't make faces बेटा. It sometimes it happens. उसने जानबूझ के कलर थोड़ी गिराया था. So this is how she dealt with that situation. अगर आप होते तो what you would have done? आपको बुरा लगता, आप गुस्सा करते, मैम सी इसने मेरे ड्रेस पे कलर गिरा दिया. बट सी हाउ ग्रेसफुल शी वॉज. शी अंडरस्टूड द सिचुएशन. उसने खुद को भी काम रखा, एंड शी ट्राई टू काम हर फ्रेंड ऑल्सो. एंड नॉट ओनली द बिहेवियर, द बॉडी लैंग्वेज. भले आप मुंह से बहुत अच्छे से पोलाइटली बात करो, बट आपको अंदर से बहुत गुस्सा है बेटा. इफ यू आर फीलिंग एनीथिंग, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स ऑन योर फेस, राइट? सो your behavior should be also in that manner, right? Your gesture, your look, your movement, your hands, your head, every single posture denotes your inner feeling, and it should all show politeness and happiness, and you should always take things in a positive way, because if you are going to take it in a negative, your life will be filled with negativity, right? So you should always see the positive side of yourself. For example, a graceful performing artist gives a bow to the audience. Sometimes he have to communicate with others entirely by gestures. Just as if example of a dancer, whenever the dancer bows down in front of that audience, that dancer talks thoroughly by his or her expressions, right? So similarly, your body also talks a lot with the expressions. So you should also try to control, not control exactly, but you should know how to behave. If you have two different feelings, one is on mouth and one is your inner feeling, it will contradict. So you should have a feeling of politeness, of kindness in your heart also, which depicts from your body language and your words too. So accept all odds with good grace. चाहे कैसी भी situation हो, you should face it gracefully, and then only you will be a successful person. So here are the question and answers and the exercises of this lesson, but we are only going to discuss the fill in the blanks and true false. So the very first fill in the blanks is, a dash person does not know how to be polite and pleasant to other people. कैसे लोगों को नहीं पता होता कि कैसे polite होना है? Graceless. So the answer is graceless. You can choose the answers from the box which is given. The very first answer is graceless. The second fill in the blanks is, even after not winning the Kho-Kho match, Geeta kept herself cool and calm. You can write the answer, cool and calm. Now the next fill in the blanks, Geeta talks and befriends either dash, either one, be it a dash or a dash with the same ease. So Geeta talks and befriends either age, you have to fill age there, either one, be it a boy or a girl. So boy and girl. So three blanks are there. First blank age, second is boy, and then girl. The fourth sentence, Geeta kept on saying, it's just by dash, it's dash Sunita. गीता ने बार बार क्या कह रही थी? It's just by chance, it's all right Sunita. Fifth blank, accept all dash with good dash. Accept all what? Odds with good grace. Accept all odds with good grace. Now we are going to discuss the true and false. The very first one is, Geeta takes success or defeat with the same ease. True statement, she lost the Kho-Kho match, but she was very much at ease. So this is a true statement. Geeta behaves differently at different places. No, she is behaving the same way no matter where she is, in school, home, wherever. So this is a false statement. Third statement, Geeta behaves differently with different people. No, she behaves with everyone very politely, very kindly. That is why she can make friends easily. So the third statement is also a false statement. Geeta made a complaint to her art teacher. उसने complain की? No. So again the fourth statement is the false statement. Geeta did not make complaint. बल्कि वो तो बार बार कह रही थी, it's just by chance, it's all right Sunita. The fifth statement is, Geeta asked Sunita to buy her a new dress. No, this is also a false statement, right? She was again and again saying it was just by chance, it's all right Sunita. Being graceful is being successful. Face the phases of life gracefully, whatever the situation is. Situation चाहे जो भी हो, you should always face everything gracefully. चाहे वो खुशी हो, चाहे वो आपके गम हो, दुख हो, whatever it is, you should face it with full grace. And if you are facing it with full grace, your life will be very successful, because you'll learn how to handle the situation, whether it is bad or good, and like that आपके लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स थोड़ा कम होंगी. You'll not go under depression, and your life will be a bit happy. The next is, be graceful in your lows and be grateful for your highs. Whenever your life throws you to lows, whenever your life brings you to lows, कोई problem में लाते हैं, you should always be graceful. You should always fight it in a positive way, that you can do it. And whenever you are at highs, that means whenever you are happy, whenever you are achieving something, you should be grateful to God that God has given you this day which you are enjoying, and you are at a place which you wanted. So children, I hope you got a very good lesson from this lesson today, and will learn to be graceful in your life. Hoping the same. All the best, children. I hope you'll implement these things in your life. Thank you, children, and have a good day.